All right, try it. Go slow.
One foot in front of the other.
Okay. Whoa.
That's it. One foot in front of the other. That's it.
Hold it. Get your other foot down. Oh, look out. You look like Olympic skater on that time.
This here too.
All right.
Okay. Both hands, like we usually do.
Look out.
Okay, up we go.
Mom, I can't read this one. Hey!
Well, I don't think so.
Remember,
Gotcha!
remember you're on skates.
Okay.
Got a feather?
Yeah. Is it wet? Yeah.
Do you see him? He's going. Wait a minute. He's coming back. Coming back around.
He's over there.
You went swimming without me?
You set me up.
Hold this here. Hold it like that. Oh dear, I just broke my zipper.
Oh no.
Oh.
Now we'll have to use duct tape.
I broke Grandma's zipper. Oh.
Here, we'll wrap you up in duct tape. That'll hold you.
Here, like this. Can you hold it like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
So what happened, Aaron?
I'm swimming.
You went swimming?
Yes, I did.
Say, I slid in the water.
I slid in.
Accidentally on purpose?
Accidentally. No, she didn't do it on purpose. She went...
You went
Here.
slipping and sliding down on your keister?
She went sliding down the hill into water. Huh, sweetie?
I went trippy.
Put your foot in, hon. All the way.